We are heading down to have our first night in the camper. We're not totally moved in yet, but I got all the beds ready and we're gonna start sleeping there even though we're really not ready to live in it. You guys ready to go down to the camper?
Yeah, a little bit.
No, we're not bringing toys yet. We'll do that tomorrow. Nice headlamp.
I'm just hoping I don't fall out of my bed because it's so small and I'm used to a big bed.
Okay, thank you.
My light won't work.
New blankets, new mattresses, new pillows. You like having a little light right there?
Yeah.
You can reach it and turn it off yourself. How does your bed feel? Well, first night. I expect it to be very interesting. So, wish me luck.
Okay, good morning. It was a really rough night. Did you hear all the chaos all night long, or did you sleep through it?
Nope, I woke up 3 times.
I knew it was gonna be rough. I knew that getting people, especially Brighton and the baby, used to sleeping in the camper is gonna be challenging. So anyway, Arthur, I woke him up at 6:30 and was like, I need you to take some children up to the house and make coffee. So he did that and let me sleep because Arthur doesn't wake up to anything and I wake up to everything. Justin and Rebecca are coming to help us do some moving, but they're also going to pick up our bull for our cow. And some of you may think it's crazy to get a farm animal right now, but we've got to get our cow bred though, or we won't have milk next year when things do settle down. So we're gonna have him come do his thing.
And then we're gonna eat him.
Then we're gonna eat him. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the kids' beautiful creations. Good morning, chickens. I'm not actually happy to see chickens out of the coop, but they're still pretty. Good morning, King Cougar. Morning, Maxie. That's a beautiful sight. Good morning, Shep. This day is just getting fuller and fuller. The lady who bought our buck is coming today, and she just texted me that she wanted to come today, and at first I wanted to say no, but why not? Why not just have one crazy day and be done with it all? Whew. So I'm gonna go separate him and get him ready to go. Morning chores. Good morning, honey. Doing chores together today. You may be wondering why the move is taking so long, and honestly, this is just a really hard move. With kids in the mix as well, it just, you know, as I move stuff, they kind of destroy something else, or, you know, make a mess somewhere else that has to be cleaned up. Anyway, this is gonna be a good day though. My goal is to get the bull here, get the buck sold, and get the kids' rooms totally set up. And then the next step will be the kitchen. I'm just gonna give him a treat to get him in the barn. He does not get grain because he's a buck. It can cause urinary problems, urinary tract problems in bucks. So he just gets alfalfa. Braveheart! Hey, Braveheart! Not you, Alice. Come on, Braveheart. You're gonna go back to your old home today, buddy. You're gonna be so happy. This really is such a happy day for him because he's not had any ladies to be around, and he is in a serious rut. He is peeing all over himself. He is loving being a buck, but he's not loving not having ladies. So he'll have some ladies today. I'm actually really happy for him. You're gonna get a boyfriend today, Mama. Yeah. Hey, buddy. So honestly, it has not been raining here and we don't really have any grass. We've been feeding hay for about a month now because our pastures have not been growing at all. And really our pasture cannot support four cattle
I mean, we're gonna feed hay. That's the plan. We're also gonna sell Dandy before long, and then we're actually going to harvest the bull once he's done his job.
Mama, look, this is so cool.
I was just talking on the vlog about how it hasn't rained in so long that our pasture wasn't growing. It's raining! Hallelujah!
Whoa, you're wet.
No.
It was sunny and it started pouring.
Yeah. I could see it coming, but it felt so good to be out there, I just stayed out there. Hi.
Hi.
So the kids each get one bin this size to put their toys in. And that is what they are working on. Arthur is editing a video and I am about to go say goodbye to Braveheart because the lady should be here any minute. Hey Art, you may just have to lift him up into her truck and then you know what?
Yeah.
You're gonna need to wash your clothes. Change your clothes. You're gonna stink. Don't eat my figs. They may even produce since it's such a hot fall.
His big.
Oh, Braveheart, you're going to such a good place. It makes me so happy.
Oops. Yeah, not one of those. I'm just gonna lift them up. Come here, son.
He's like,
Aww. You want to take that off of him so it doesn't get...
I don't even know.
One really nice thing about having no goats is that we have an okay, I mean it's not a great, but another pasture in the very back. But we have to just put the cows back there and bring them back in. But now we can just leave the gate open. And the reason we can't put goats back there is because the fencing isn't good enough for goats. But it's good enough for big fat cows. One project for the day down. 2 more projects to go. But thankfully we have reinforcements on the way to help us with the next 2. What are you working on?
I'm boiling a quarter, but I want to freeze it.
No, don't freeze it first. Just whenever the water boils, just put it in there. Now it is time. Justin and Rebecca are here. And it has been raining all day, which is just so odd because off and on, thunderstorms. We haven't had rain in 2 months.
This good right here?
What do you think? It's funny because he's a small breed of bull, but he's actually not small, is he?
He's not big. Have you seen Stud Muffin?
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's gonna be way happier here. Alright, I'm gonna let him out.
Can you open it more?
No, it's all good.
He's back. He's going right now.
Good boy. Good boy. Hey, bud. Good boy, good boy. Loading him went well. We didn't film out there, but it went really well. We got him on the trailer. He actually is just sweet. Like, just let him up with a bucket, and he didn't get right on. He was a little hesitant, but then he stepped in by himself following the feed after about 3 to 5 minutes. He smells a lot of stuff.
He's used to bucks, though. He had a bunch of goats over there.
That's true.
I think he's really tame enough to ride.
Okay.
He's that chill. I mean, we'll of
You
course
first,
be.
Art.
Yeah,
I'll ride him.
I'll ride him first.
We'll sell tickets.
We'll sell tickets. We'll for sure get it on video.
It always works better with a camera.
I'm coming.
Right.
Can I
Always.
ride it?
You are?
How much am I worth? How much will the tickets cost?
Maybe you should just
$10.
put a harness on it.
It won't be much of a show. He'll just wander like he's doing now.
How am I going to build this house if you get thrown from a bull?
That's a good.
How am I going to tear
question.
this house down and build it back up? I'll be living in a camper for the rest of my life. No bull riding for you right now. You hear her?
Now we have to let him out.
They're calling to each
They
other.
already love each other. It's already a match made in heaven.
Are you gonna let him out?
Yeah, we're gonna let him out. I think it'd be more stressful to leave him in.
Goes downstairs, calm as can be. It's just a big old cat.
And all the cows are bawling at each other. And we're gonna let the bull out into the pasture and see what happens. I think she's actually in heat now. And he seems just chill down there, so I think we're gonna do it now. All right, so we're gonna let him out here into the pasture and just let everyone, let the bull meet Alistair, cow.
They're all circling each other.
Look, Art, you might have called it, buddy.
He's rolling his nose up, like curling his lips back. I think she's either in heat or maybe just was, or maybe he's just excited because...
Well, she's been balling the last 2 days.
We'll find out soon.
Right at the perfect time.
You like that shirt too, huh? You like that shirt too, huh? Nice shirt, huh?
Hey, big helper.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so cute.
What is it?
All the kids in the camper. Excuse me. Alright, dinner in 10.
I love that.
Rebecca and I, well, I'm not making dinner. Rebecca brought dinner. I'm just going to go give moral support while she puts it together.
Well, I get it out of the cooler.
Yeah.
And take it out of the oven.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video. We still have a lot to do today, but we're gonna have a meal together, and then I'll probably just keep working while Arthur puts the kids to bed. It has been an awesome day on the homestead with good friends, bringing so much, not only like help and all that, but just encouragement.
Aww.
Yeah.
Love
and
you.
food. Food's always such a blessing. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.